Stop scrolling. What if I told you that you have access to some of the most powerful AI tools in the world for free? No subscriptions, no hidden fees, just pure AI power at your fingertips. Sounds too good to be true. Well, let me prove it to you. Because today I'm revealing the best free AI tools that can change the way you work, create, and even think. Let's start with a game changer. Imagine having a personal assistant that's available 24/7, never complains, and can write anything from emails to entire books. That's ChatGPT for you. It doesn't just think, it predicts the next words based on billions of data points. Need a blog post, a business idea, or even a viral tweet? ChatGPT generates it faster than your morning coffee kicks in. What if I told you AI can also design professional graphics? No Photoshop? No problem. Canva AI is your personal graphic designer on autopilot. Just type what you need, and AI instantly generates thumbnails, Instagram posts, logos, anything. Want a stunning YouTube thumbnail but don't know a thing about design? Canva AI's got your back. Just tweak it, download, and boom, you're a pro. But let's be real, video is king now, and that's where this next AI tool takes things to a whole new level. Video editing used to be time consuming, but what if I told you AI can do it for you with just a click? Meet Runway ML, your AI powered video editor. It can remove backgrounds, enhance footage, and even add special effects, all with a single command. Imagine turning your basic clips into Hollywood level edits without spending hours behind a screen. And if you think that's impressive, just wait till you see what's next. Picture this. You type a few words, and AI paints a masterpiece in seconds. Sounds like magic, right? Well, it's real, and it's called Leonardo AI. From ultra-realistic portraits to mind-blowing concept art, this AI tool creates stunning, high-quality images that look like they took hours to make. So now you have AI writing your content, designing graphics, editing videos, but what's next? The world is changing fast, and AI is leading the way. Those who embrace it now will stay ahead, while others will be left behind. And the best part, these tools are free. You don't need a big budget, just curiosity and the willingness to explore. But this is just the beginning. Want to see AI in action? Click on my next video where I show you how to create mind-blowing AI animations using Pika Labs. Don't miss out. See you there.